Good morning.
Good morning. We just got our 7 a.m. wake-up call on the Alaskan Dream Cruises. And I feel like we have a full day ahead of us, and I'm so excited.
Yeah, we boarded the ship last night, had dinner, and then today is our first full day. We're on this boat for the next 7 days. We have our first stop in Kake.
And I just can't wait to see what we're doing today.
Good morning. Brooklyn Hollingstead, Ayak, Uk, Saeed, like Hawk, and Uk. Dancing cut to the south, Chalk, and a cut to the east.
Welcome to Kake. Oh, there's a little breeze.
The eagle has a curved beak and the raven is flat. We have the eagle and the raven, talk or yak.
We're in a gymnasium in Kake, and there are some locals here selling their handicrafts. I still can't get over it. That was really cool, that pop sockets with the beads. And she's like, I killed this deer and I used the antlers to make the earrings and the pop socket. They were really beautiful. The beadwork was incredible. This guy in the corner does pencil artwork. And there's this really beautiful one of an eagle and orca blended together. I think you would like it.
Every 2 years there's a huge celebration in Juneau where all of the tribes gather to dance and celebrate, and we're actually here when the community of Kake is doing their canoe launch. So the canoe will go over the next, they said 8 days.
Yep.
From here, stopping a couple times to spend the night, but they'll canoe all the way from Kake to Juneau, and we're here to see the launch, which is kind of cool.
I know everyone's really excited about it. Like, the community here is really excited about it, and they're like, we're excited and you should be excited because this is like, it's a rare opportunity to see this, because it does happen every 2 years. So I'm really glad that there's a little bit of overlap.
We're very lucky that 2 years, every 2 years, and we're here on the day.
Look, you.
Good morning. It's day 2 on our Alaskan Dream Cruise. Yesterday we were in the village of Kake, and we got to walk around and do a tour.
There's only like a population of
550 permanent residents, and 100 of those are school-age children. And then afterwards we went to this cove. I don't remember the name.
You're sniffing my clothes. I'm so sorry.
Ew. And we went to a cove and got to take the Zodiac boat to the beach, and then they had kayaks and paddle boards, but it was raining quite a bit, so honestly just kind of walked around the beach for a while.
Oh, wow.
That is good.
Thank you.
That is really good.
Enjoy.
That's good.
Yeah. Have you ever seen a flat rock like this?
It's a shard.
Should I try to skip it?
Yeah.
Okay. Got a little hook to it, ready? Get the boat in the background, beauty shot.
Okay, go.
The real star.
And then...
No, first off, since we started this trip, Will has been saying and claiming, I want to see an orca.
Manifesting.
Yesterday it's raining, and we signed up to do kayaks, so we were at the bottom of the list, so people started to go out.
And we're just like, oh, well, wait,
And
whatever, it's raining.
We hear like the staff's walkie-talkies going off, being like, there's blah, blah, blah. It was really muffled, and we're like, what's going on? And they're like, there's orcas out there. So
And then the captain, he was like, whoever wants to go see the orcas, you can go take a tour on the Zodiac. So
we hopped.
we were the
hopped
first
on
ones on the boat.
quick with our life jackets. Safety first.
Cameras ready. We drove out to see the orcas, and we literally watched 5 orcas just go up and down and up and down. One of them started slapping its hand against the water, and then
it was just so
it was amazing.
Cool.
It was amazing.
I think like every wild moment we've experienced or witnessed on this trip just leaves me in awe, and my jaw always drops. I mean, there's video of your face literally like mouth
This is
wide
the coolest
open,
thing
just
ever.
like shocked. It was so
Orcas are I have a couple of favorite animals, and orcas are like number 1 or number 2. Oh my god. Oh, look at him.
Oh, he's waving. Hello.
Bye.
Unbelievable. That is just so cool.
So that was really amazing. And then we also did a presentation with the captain last night talking about the food that's on board and all the
Cultural significance of the
right,
food
the
which we're
inspirations
eating.
that it's come from Russian, Norwegian, Filipino, which was really cool. And then we watched them get ready to smoke a salmon that we're going to be eating.
I've never watched like that big of a fish be like prepared. The fish was massive.
It's been great. But today we're in the city of Wrangell, and we're doing like a city tour, and then later we're doing a jet boat up a river, which I'm really excited about because last time they said that they saw a moose. That's like another one on our list.
The
I want to see a
potential
moose.
for the wildlife in which we might see today is there.
It's there.
I'm gonna manifest the wilderness today.
Oh,
because
I saw my
you've been
orcas,
a
and
whale.
I'm on day 2, and I'm ready. I'm like, okay, if I can go home
So
now.
Moose and bear.
I know, I kept trying to look with the binoculars at the coast for bears while we were driving on the boat. But anyways, another day, here we go.
Time to wrangle up the passengers. Alaska, which is actually one of the most historic communities in the state because it was ruled by 4 different nations over the course of history. Russia, United Kingdom, the Klingits, and the US.
There you go. But we're doing a city tour of Wrangell. Right now we're at the museum. We just walked around and learned more about the history, which was great.
Yeah.
Now we're going to Petroglyph Beach to see I think it's the largest concentration of petroglyphs
I think in the United States.
in the world, United States, Northern Hemisphere.
But also, look, I already did one.
Oh yeah. You did a rubbing.
I did a rubbing in the museum to kind of see what they look like, but now we're gonna go see them in person. I'm really excited. Yeah, well, I'm actually excited to learn more about them from our guide, who's amazing. The guides that are with us for Discover Wrangell have been so informative. It's like information overload, and I feel like I can now give a tour myself of Wrangell.
No.
Yeah.
It's raining.
It's sprinkling. But look at that backdrop behind us. Beautiful.
We're on Petroglyph Beach, looking at all the petroglyphs. They don't know how old they are, and they also don't know what they were for.
There's a lot of different theories, whether it's like a memorial to like mark the birth or death of someone,
Storytelling,
artwork, storytelling.
I feel like it's artwork. I feel like it's like...
But I think it can all be encompassed into one. Like it could
Sure.
be artwork about a death,
Yeah.
about a memorial. It could be something of significance. It's
Yeah.
actually really cool.
No, it is really cool.
You're just walking along these rocks and like you look down and there's a petroglyph just
Well, and then...
there.
And a lot of the petroglyphs are not symbols or artwork that's from the other artwork that the tribe has. So it could be a whole different group of people. So it's all fascinating.
I love Alaska. It's so wild.
What did you have?
It was Bailey's and like a bunch of alcohol.
Yes.
We are in Petersburg, Alaska today.
Known as Little Norway. It's super cute. There's a lot of charm, a lot of character.
It's a little rainy today, but we started with some cultural dancing from these adorable kids, ages like 11 to 15. They did some cultural dancing for us. It was very nice. I loved it because I'm a dance teacher, so it was fun.
Remember that video of me as a kid that I showed you where I'm like, cookie? Cookie? The coffee like brings out the flavor a lot more.
After we did the cultural dancing, we did a bog walk. So we walked kind of like where Shrek lives. What are we gonna see on our bog walk? No idea.
Well, you've been the wilderness whisperer, so you say it.
Moose. You know, it's like those videos where the people like set up their camera. I think I like this
Bog walk. Say that 5 times really fast. Bog walk, bog walk, bog walk, bog walk. My mom would be like,
Smell like skunks. Kind of get a hint of it.
ooh, girl, bye. That's that smells.
We called something skunk, it's not here.
looking for bear. I'm talking to my parents because I saw and found my friends that they were in Petersburg, Virginia, and we're in Petersburg, Alaska.
Are you gonna try one?
Yeah. I was in the Hunger Games, I'd harvest spruce tips.
Maybe I'll eat a little one.
Okay, you're finally gonna eat a spruce tip.
Okay.
You're being so drama right now. It's not that bad. It's just very natural. I read online that there's actually some really good medicinal benefits to spruce tips.
It's okay.
Oh, it's so fresh.
Okay. They taste a little odd to me.
Yeah. Love it.
But now we're going to, I think it's called Inga's for fish and chips.
I'm ready to eat. I love food. especially
Honestly,
when it's good food.
we just keep eating and eating and eating and eating and eating. How was that? Was it good?
So we're at one of our expedition stops, and we were given the option of a 1.5 mile hike, a 4-mile hike, or kayaking. And of course, what did we choose, Will?
The 1.5 mile hike.
Oh, over my dead body. We are doing the 4-mile hike. Hopefully we'll see some wildlife. We still have yet to see like bears or moose. So really hoping there'll be some opportunities for us to see wildlife on this hike. But it also looks like it's about to rain. The weather is so unpredictable in Southeast Alaska. You ready?
So
You awake?
So
We just napped for, what, an hour?
It was glorious.
So I'm ready to move my body. What about you?
It was so warm.
How are you?
Doing great.
This has been a beautiful hike, huh?
Yeah. There it is.